Economy plus ecology equals labor savings plus less water and detergents. The exclusive ecosystem has been created to maximize the productivity of the machine, exploiting to the top the efficacy of the detergent solution. With the standard machine, after the first washing, about 60% of the solution is still active and potentially reusable. The ecosystem present in most Eureka scrubber dryers allows to reuse the washing solution after the first cleaning cycle, with a series of benefits from greater running time, shorter loading-unloading of water, and to rationalize the amount of water and detergent necessary to wash. During the first clearing cycle, the scrubber dryer uses the detergent solution that's collected through the squeegee into the recovery tank. Once the detergent solution is over, the operator, pressing the Eco button on the machine dashboard, activates the ecosystem. The recovered water therefore passes through a special filter and can be reused for further cycles of cleaning. The advantages of this innovative system are clear. Unnecessary waste of water and chemical products are avoided, providing a saving in terms of productivity, labor, and cost, and furthermore ensuring a much better environmental impact. Economy plus ecology equals labor savings plus less water and detergents.